Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Toyota Sequoia's four-wheel drive system. For most daily driving, you'll want to keep your Sequoia in two-wheel drive high, or 2H. This setting powers only the rear wheels, providing the best fuel economy and a smoother ride on dry, paved surfaces. It also helps reduce unnecessary wear on your four-wheel drive components, ensuring they are ready when you need them most. When you encounter slippery roads, light snow, ice, or loose gravel, it's time to engage four-wheel drive high, or 4H. You can typically shift into 4H on the fly, usually at speeds below 62 miles per hour. Simply turn the four-wheel drive selector knob to 4H. If the indicator light flashes, continue driving straight or gently accelerate and decelerate until it becomes solid, confirming engagement. This mode provides enhanced traction and stability. For the most challenging situations, like deep mud, heavy sand, or very steep inclines and descents, you'll need four-wheel drive low, or 4L. To engage 4L, bring your Sequoia to a complete stop and shift the transmission into neutral. Then, push the four-wheel drive selector knob inward and turn it to 4L. Wait for the 4L indicator light to appear solid on your dashboard before shifting into drive. This mode provides maximum torque and control at very low speeds. Remember, it's crucial to avoid using 4H or 4L on dry, hard surface roads, as this can cause driveline binding and damage. To disengage your four-wheel drive, simply reverse the steps you took to engage it. For 4L, stop, shift to neutral, then push and turn the knob back to 4H or 2H. For 4H, turn the knob back to 2H. If the indicator light flashes, driving a few feet forward or backward can help the system fully disengage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.